Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up QuickBooks for personal use. Create a new company file and pick Personal as the profile type, then set your currency and preferences. Next, build a simple chart of accounts tuned to income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Keep categories clear so tracking and reporting stay reliable. I'll guide you through entering transactions, reconciling accounts, and preparing basic reports you can actually use. In this video, I will show how to set up QuickBooks for personal use. Start by creating essential accounts like income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and equity, then add sub-accounts for investments and savings. Use consistent, short names so searching and reporting are quick and accurate. Assign sensible categories to each transaction as you enter them. I'll explain how to reorganize accounts later and give tips to avoid common mistakes that clutter your books. In this video, I will show how to set up QuickBooks for personal use. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free timers, reminders, and music while you work on your finances. It's a handy companion for timing sessions or asking quick questions without stopping your flow. If that sounds useful, check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. If you're enjoying this, subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to set up QuickBooks for personal use. Enter transactions or connect accounts for automatic imports, then categorize each item to the correct account. Use rules to automate recurring transactions and speed up categorization. Reconcile bank and credit card accounts monthly to find discrepancies and ensure accurate balances. I'll show matching tips and quick fixes so your personal finances stay clean and reliable without stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.